How to disable Snapchat calls. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So here is how you can limit or block voice and video calls on Snapchat since there is no direct way to disable them completely. First option is go ahead and mute the call notifications. Open your Snapchat, go to the chat screen, tap and hold on to the name of the person that you want to mute. Then go to its chat and notification settings. Simply go ahead and tap on notification settings again. After that, tap on mute chats. Simply toggle the switch. You can also go ahead and mute calls as well. You need to toggle the switch as well and you'll be done. This will silence their ring or vibration when they call, but they can still call you. Another thing you can do is block or remove the person. Tap and hold onto their name. Then tap on manage friendship. Then choose block or remove friend, which is highlighted in red color. And then they won't be able to call or message you anymore. Another thing you can do is you can adjust the privacy settings. So go to your settings, scroll down and tap on contact me, that is under privacy control. Set it to my friends or friends only. This stops people who aren't your friends from calling you. You can also try disabling the microphone and camera access from your phone setting. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.